Hey beauties, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I did a video on a Longqi beauty hair unboxing, and I showed in the unboxing that it came with a 14-inch closure. Sorry about this dirty mirror, y'all. A 14-inch closure, which looks like this. 16, 18, and a 20-inch bundle. So 3 bundles in a closure. And I washed her, but she took so long. I co-washed her. She took so long to dry, so I went on and put her underneath my fan, y'all. Come on. I mean, we all do it. I didn't want to blow dry her, so I took the cool fan and I just, you know, so it's not really dry all the way. But I did make the wig and the lace is still on it, and this is what she looks like. So what I'm going to do is try her on. But Longqi beauty hair, let me tell you something first of all before I even go any further. This hair, that's all I'm going to say. Let me just get the wig on. This hair is like butter, baby. Like butter, baby. Like butter. Melted butter and melted sugar. I'm telling you, she is so soft. When I was co-washing her, I was like, oh my goodness. It felt like I had silk in my hands. So let me go ahead on and try on the wig. Look at this. She is so beautiful. So what I'm going to do is go cut the lace off of her and put her where I want her at, and I'll come back, okay? Okay, guys, I have her on. So this is what she looks like, and I combed her out a little bit. So, but the hair is so silky. You hear me? She is so silky and so nice. You can run your hands through it. Now, as far as the shedding, I really didn't get any shedding, but I'm going to be doing some things while I talk with you. Then I'm going to be using the silicone hair serum on her, and this is like a hair polisher that I'm going to use on her. I'm not going to use a whole lot, just about that much pea size on each side of the hair, just so I can just give her just a little shine. I don't have her all the way down, so it's okay if you see some little beady knots on the side, girl. But this is what she's looking like. Her ends is like really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the hair polisher, and I'm just going to take a little bit off. And that's because I want to get this parting to stay just exactly like that. And I'm going to just take a hot comb and just go through her so she can lay just a little bit flatter. Okay, y'all, do y'all see how she look? Look at this. And the waves are still there, the body wave. I really don't want to do much to her. I just want her just to be just like that for today. But when I do get ready to curl her out, I will come back and let you guys know. But right now, I'm going to take some of my powder and put it in the scalp here because I want a little bit more natural look. So I'm taking like the little eyeshadow brush thingy because her knots is not bleached. So you know, if you guys want to pretty much like put some baby hairs down or whatever, you can. I mean, because she is baby hair friendly in the front, but I don't want any baby hairs. I just want her in her natural state, just the way that she is. And let me find me some earrings. You know, you gotta have some hoops on with her. This hair is like butter. You hear me? It is like butter. And I will put all of the links and everything down in the description bar. And Longqi Beauty, she went on and he or she, they contacted me and asked me to review some hair, and I was like, what? Longqi Beauty? Do you see all the people who be buying Longqi Beauty hair on YouTube? You sure enough know that I'm about to get my hands on it. Yes, I will review this hair for you, honey. Yes, I will give you my honest opinion on this hair. Look at this hair. Let me get my mirror so I can see it really good. I really like it. I really like it in the state that it's in. Let me see if I can move my chin up higher. Yes, look at this hair. Oh my goodness, yo, yes. Longqi Beauty contacted me. Longqi Beauty contacted me. Thank you so much, Longqi Beauty. But like I said, I'm not going to put any curls in it. And the reason why is because I want to wear it the way it is. Well, I got a piece of hair sticking up. Is it something that I did? Okay. But, they contacted me for a review. So, hell yeah, we will do this. It's like butter. I'm telling you, this hair is like butter. And this is what I have left of the 16-inch right here. Because it was so much hair, I was like, oh my goodness, we're not about to put all that hair in here. Now, I could go back and put it in there, but I was like, no, I don't even have any space to put it in. They give you a nice little box. She gave me some lashes that I really don't know what I did with the lashes at the moment. So y'all, I do apologize, but look at this. She's so bouncy and flowy. When I cut the wefts, of course, you know, you're going to have some shedding from when you cut the wefts. But other than that, that is it, honey. That is it. Let me turn around in the back so you can be able to see what she looks like. This is what she looks like. Nice and flowy and bouncy. And she don't have any split ends to her. So I'm so grateful for that. And yeah, I don't really have any cons. All pros. She is beautiful. She is bouncy. She is lovely. She comes in a natural color. You can color her. I think that's it. I'm hoping that I got everything together. So, and she's on Amazon. That's one thing I forgot to tell you. She is on Amazon. So you can purchase this hair on Amazon, and the links will be in the description bar. So you already know to subscribe to this channel, guys. Like this video, share Longqi Beauty hair, because everybody on YouTube is blowing it up talking about this Longqi Beauty hair. And I'm telling you, I see why, because this is like some good hair. This is one of my good wigs that I have made, and I'm gonna rock her too, because y'all know I got a lot of wigs, but I'm gonna tell you, this hair, she is just so I don't know how she is, if she's going to tangle like after you wear it in the back or not, but I am going to wear her, and I am going to let you know whether she's going to tangle or anything. But the way she seems, like she's not going to tangle. Hey babies, y'all knew I was going to come back with this hair curled. Yes, I wanted y'all to see how bouncy this hair was. It is just what I still don't have this wig all the way down, y'all. But this is the next day from when I had did the video. So it's like yesterday and today is going to be combined. But I didn't have the hair curled yesterday when I did it, because the fact of it was raining outside. And when I went to come back to give y'all an update, my hair was like just drenched, but it did not matte in the rain. That's the thing. That's when you know you got yourself some good hair. When hair does not matte on you, and it's raining, and when it dries, I mean, you got yourself some good hair. But I went on and curled it. I wanted y'all to see how Longqi Beauty hair curl, and it curls really nice. And I mean, look, I can't make this up, y'all. Y'all know my words. I cannot make this up. This hair is just so beautiful. Yeah, so I went on and did like a little side part today. And I didn't want to put any baby hairs down, but I was in a hurry yesterday, y'all. I was like, it's raining outside. Let me just go ahead and get this video out here, because, you know, I didn't feel like doing anything else to it. But I was like, but you know what? When I wore it, it was still beautiful. But I'm going to tell you, I know that I had to put some curls in it, because that's not my style to have it just wavy like that. I just wanted it like it just to get out because it was raining. But let me stop making excuses for it. But this is how I like it. This is how I like it right here. Just like this. So it curled really good. I mean, I'm talking about curl really. Look at that. My curls is falling too. But it curled really good. I didn't put anything else in it besides from what I had yesterday in it. And I want this fluffed out. I want that big sexy look. But I didn't do anything else to it, so I just wanted to let y'all know that it can curl and how it looks when it's curled. Let me stand up so you guys can see it. And this is 20 inches right here, but I put loose curls because I did not want these curls to be like really tight and drawn up like this. So yes, this is what this looked like. You know, I love this hair. Thank you so much, Longqi Beauty. Thank you so much for my Brazilian body wave. Now she has all different types of hairs like I told y'all before, and also she have it if you want to review any hair from Longqi Beauty. It's going to be on WhatsApp number down there, and also to hit her on her email. And if you want to review some hair for her, then just hit her up. I will have everything in the description bar, that way you will know. So ladies, I'm gonna get out of here, and I already said be blessed and not stressed on the other video, but I'm gonna say it again: be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah. Yes.